Welcome to www.outdoorsumo.com. Hi guys, today I will show you ELAC Debut 2.0 B 6.2 bookshelf speakers. These speakers have raised the bar high for bookshelf performance. I usually set up a small home theater setting when I'm watching Netflix. These speakers get the job done as they give me a feeling of being in a movie cinema. If you hear how amazing they sound, you will know they are a must-have. Get to experience what this high-end system has to offer. The speakers are designed with developed tweeters. The tweeters are soft dome. They help in extending the frequency response for better sounding. The spring posts will be able to help you in placing the speakers in your desired room. Also, with the internal bracing, you will no longer experience cabinet vibration. With the bracing, you will no longer experience disrupted sounds. Thanks for visit this channel.